When it comes to shooters, I'm actually a very simple creature. I just like to be aggressive. As you get older, you learn to use tactical aggression to your advantage. And so,
Obviously.
I like games like Counter-Strike and Quake 3, and that's basically what I grew up playing. A very heavy milsim environment like Escape from Tarkov is not easy, especially at the start. And 4,700 hours later, I finally kind of have a more or less a balance between the two. Obviously, I'm going to favor maps and areas that allow me to do that. Factory being, I think, one of the easiest and most straightforward environments to have combat in. The updates are fantastic and I'm developing quite a bit of content on it, but I thought it fitting to do a tribute, as it were, to the old areas of Factory and put together some of my best gaming clips.
Come sopra.
Okay, guy with gear, come on.
You sure about that?
Hello? Sounds like maybe lunch. Oh, dude. Dude.
Nice.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Why are you running?
Okay. Hey, brah, let me flash you and kill you, please.
Sorry, what did you need?
I need a flash and kill you, bruh.
Then come try.
Yes, you're rude to me. Why can't you just die?
Shit. Oh.
Fist.
Oh. Oh, dude. Timmy 6 down. Did I flatten you? Oh, Timmy.
I'm gonna give this gun to you.
Oh, smashed him, bro.
Jeez. I can see what they're doing, what he's doing. I can see it, I feel it.
Another one.
No, keep the friendship like that. It's gonna be good. He seems like a decent oak. I mean, never met him. He doesn't seem like an
I just got
asshole. Is that?
Come on, man. That's too easy.
They're in the office already, lol. Doing
Yeah, it's
drawers.
looting filing cabinets, dude.
Yeah.
I'm coming. We gotta... I'm just gonna double
I
key
forgot a
into him.
tequila kill. Oh, the guy.
I'm peeking the end,
Oh, it's nowhere there. The inside.
Hello! Wait, I just had a shotgun.
There's a dude up here! There's a player! He's dead. What the f is going on, dude? How is this game looting it, yeah? And there's a player on the Falcon in it!
Stop it. Get some help.
Twelve seconds later.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Die.
Damn!
Boy, that escalated quickly.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 da
And that was Factory in the old days. Things we'll never do again. Certainly, I'm pretty glad we did them. Anywho, thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed this, please hit us up with a like and subscribe. And hopefully, I'll see you on the flip side.